In this episode, a simple magnetic spice rail turns your fridge door into a compact, snack-ready command center for everyday use. Small neodymium magnets secure labeled spice jars to a thin metal strip mounted at eye level, freeing cabinet space inches below the top shelf. Each jar nests neatly, lids down, so you grab the right flavor without rummaging through cluttered shelves on the rack. Installation is quick with adhesive strips and a single drill, and the rail wipes clean between uses easily. Try this during your next kitchen reset and notice faster access, less mess, and calmer counters.